Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Wiwit Damayanti Lestari. I am from Mathematics Department, Wiralodra University. I, representing the author, will present our research entitled Self-Regulated Learning Strategies, a worksheet designed to help students understand learning material in COVID-19 pandemic era. Our research was motivated by COVID-19 pandemic era that hit and had an impact on the implementation of the lecture, which are now mostly held online, some hybrid and offline. The implementation of lecture, both online and offline, requires students to be able to regulate themselves in learning, or self-regulated learning. Some experts state that to achieve the goal of education, making human learner lifelong learning, is needed self-regulated learning. Self-regulated learning also affects student understanding of learning material. Students who have self-regulated learning are most successful in their academic achievement. Thus, self-regulation is one of the most vital and influential component. Self-regulated learning is the process of students managing their own learning by activating their cognitive, affective, and behavior that is in themselves so that the desired learning goals are achieved. Students are said to have self-regulated learning if they have their own desire to learn, solve problems, and are responsible for completing their obligation. Several research results on the application of self-regulated learning and worksheet in learning have a good impact. So, self-regulated learning strategies are self-evaluation, organization and transformation, goal setting and planning, information seeking, record keeping, self-monitoring, environmental structuring, giving self-consequence, rehearsing and memorizing, seeking social assistance, and reviewing. The steps in lecture that use worksheet based on self-regulated learning strategies are divided into 4 stages, namely planning, implementing, controlling, and evaluating. So, the purpose of this study is to describe student understanding of learning material after attending lecture using worksheet based on self-regulated learning strategies. Method. This research is qualitative descriptive research on even semester of the 2020-2021 academic year. Subjects in this research are students of mathematics education at Wiralodra University, 2nd, 4th, and 6th semester by purposive sampling technique. Instruments that use are worksheet, test, and interview. Data analysis was carried out with qualitative data analysis step consisting data reduction, data display, and conclusion drawing or verification. Based on the worksheet result, the average student carrying out its activity in a worksheet based on self-regulated learning strategies is 3.4 out of 11 activities for 6 meetings, meaning that students less disciplined in organizing themselves to learn. Only 13 out of 40 students carry out activities in the worksheet with discipline. Individual worksheets have not been able to make most students disciplined in carrying out activities in worksheet. A self-regulated learning environment in groups that can support each other is needed to carry out activities in worksheet. Socially constructed, self-regulated emerged when students work in collaborative learning groups, and made consistent efforts to regulate their learning and engagement. Cooperative learning has a positive effect on promoting learner self-regulation. The lowest activities, namely the evaluation stage on the giving self-consequence indicator, is 2.6. This shows that students have not been able to appreciate their own achievement. And the self-evaluation indicator is 20.8. This shows that students are not used the self-evaluation on their learning process. Activities at the planning, implementation, and control stage are carried out by students with an average of more than 3. This means that students are quite good at following the worksheet at this stage. Based on the test result, the average score of second semester student understanding in the student development course is 63.2. The fourth semester in the transformation geometry course is 55.8, and sixth semester in the discrete mathematics course is 58. The average score of the student overall understanding of material is 58.8. The average score of understanding of students who took the worksheet in the teacher course was better than the understanding of the student who took the worksheet in the mathematics course. Students who follow the worksheet in a disciplined manner have a better understanding of the learning material than their less disciplined classmates. This is in line with research which state that self-regulated learning strategies can improve student understanding, and research which state that the use of worksheet in lecture can develop student understanding. Based on the result of interview with disciplined students, it was stated that the use of worksheet based on self-regulated learning strategies really helps students to study more regularly and directed, especially in the implementation of learning in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, which was carried out online or offline in any time. Worksheet become a separate guide for students to study and also help students be more focused in learning. Based on the result of interview with students who less disciplined, the obstacle in following worksheet based on self-regulated learning strategies in that students don't understand what to do on the given worksheet, so that more detailed lecturer direction is needed in order to follow the worksheet properly. Conclusion, the results show that students who follow the worksheet in self-regulated learning strategies based lecture in a disciplined manner had a better understanding of the learning material than their classmates who were less disciplined in following the worksheet. The implementation of this result is that the use of worksheet based on self-regulated learning strategies can be used in lecture to help students understand the learning material. The limitation in this study is that the research was conducted in a short number of meetings. For further research, worksheet can be applied longer in the lecture so that their impact on student understanding is more visible. This study also has not explored in depth the impact of using worksheet in self-regulated learning strategies based lecture that are applied to mathematics and non-mathematics material, so that further research can be applied to mathematics and non-mathematics material respectively in each batch. There are the reference that use. That's all my presentation. Thank you.